Yep. You're right. This is not your average gaming content. We're, I guess, yeah. How about this? Let's make a game. All right. Let's just make a game. I mean, it's just to explain how Python works. The only thing I learned from this is you have a variable and you have a value. Let's just say, for example, you are the variable equals basically is, or what is you, and then say something like, of course, with quote unquote stupid, the variable is you, and the value here is stupid. So it's asking what you are, that's a variable. Stupid is the answer. So you are stupid. Alright, anyways, let's make a game. First thing first, we're gonna need a title. Just gonna say print. I don't know what to call it. Are you stupid? Now for this one, we're gonna need we're gonna make it like a random thing generator. You know what I'm saying? Actually, hold on. How stupid are you? The game. Alright. Now we need to make it like a number generator, like from 1 to 10. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do something like let's just say what was it? Random is RD. So basically said, instead of writing random, we're gonna just say RD. So we can like shorten the code, you know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna add the list of what is gonna need to be generated. In that case, if you type in my list, I need to remember how it was. Then you need this box. I don't know what it's called in English. My bad. Just type in like to explain, like quote unquote, like 1. And then point. Same shit. 2. Again. 3. Again. 4. Again. Go all the way to 10. All the way to 10. Okay, so we got the choices here from 1 to 10. And now this is just a simple code. Just say print RD, which is random. And then say choice. And then add another boxy thing. Then type in my list. For the tutorial, just type in like press enter to see how stupid you are. Happy face. There you go. That's literally the game. Now to execute it, we're just gonna go over here. Alright. And what print is not identified. Oh shit. Always lowercase, everybody. Always lowercase. Do not screw this up and go for uppercase. Alright? What is it now? RD choice. Okay, fine. I'm gonna make it longer. Damn. Import random as RD. Alright, let's see. It does it automatically. I don't know why. I need to Google something. Alright. Just spare me out. Wait for keyboard input. Instead of print, I should say input. They're totally different things. So instead of saying, oh shit. Alright. I'm gonna say input instead of print. Let me see if that works. I totally forgot, like print and input are different things. Print, it shows you the shit right away. Then input, it's gonna wait for the program is gonna print the sentence, all right, and then it's gonna wait. Then it's gonna wait till you press enter, all right, and then at this point it's just gonna do the rest. I think that's the point here. Yes, I got it. All right, press enter. Ah, I'm smart. Okay, now I gotta somehow make it like a program, like a standalone program, not like any, you know what I'm saying? So maybe if I go to like save workspace as, you know, hold on. It has to be something like about the file. Save. Maybe save as. Then. Oh, it's already at pi. Okay. How stupid are you? The game. My name is not valid. Hold on. There you go. Alright, now let's see if I can like. Hey, it worked! Oh wait, right. Input. I think. Let me see if it says input, what's gonna happen. I think. Yo, okay, hold on. Save. Alright, do it again. Ah, fixed it. But here we go. I got my first game ever. Aside the Undertale fan game, but we're not talking about that. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.